Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I feel like I haven't done a video in a little bit and I am so sorry for the brief hiatus, but for today's video I am doing a really simple fall brown smoky eye look. I'm actually going to go ahead and just pull my hair back a little bit too. And then for my eyelids, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. For my first eyeshadow color, I am going into my Morphe 35V palette, and I'm going in with this sort of reddish brown shade here. And I'm just going to apply that just kind of lightly all over my lid. So I'm actually going to go into my Morphe, this is my Stunning Vibes palette, so my 35V palette, and I'm going in with this sort of light brown shade here, just to add a little bit of that as my transition color. Yeah, see, the color that I added from the first palette was a little too dark. I wanted something that had almost a little bit of like a reddish brown undertone, so I think this color is actually perfect. So now that we have that reddish brown shade built up, I am now going in to that 35V palette once more, but this time I'm going in with this chocolate brown color here. And I'm just going to apply that to the lower section of my eyelid. And then over that chocolate brown, I'm just going to go in with this really dark, almost like espresso shade of brown here. Okay, and then for under my brows, I'm going in with a little bit of this gold color, excuse me, with a little bit of this gold color from my Morphe palette. And for my lashes, I am just using this cute little pair of like faux mink lashes. Guys, I have not done my lashes on camera in like, I don't even know how many months, so pray for me right now because as we all know, lashes are just one of those things. It's like hit or miss. Like, it might work, it might not work. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop highlight, and this is in the shade Golden Honey, which, as you guys know, is like one of my favorite all-time concealers. And then just on top of that, I'm gonna go in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer again in the shade Warm Honey. So Golden Honey meets Warm Honey. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and just bake my face before I do my contour. So I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and this is in the shade Mocha. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Highlight Contour Palette just to set that contour a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Morphe setting spray. For under my eyes, I'm going back in with that dark brown shade. Actually, I'm gonna go back in with the chocolate shade first, just because that one's a little bit softer. Okay, and then right above that, I'm gonna go back in with that really dark brown as well, but more so towards my waterline area. Okay, and then to highlight, I am going back into that. I'll go back into my Morphe 35K palette just with that gold shade we used to highlight under the brow, and put a little bit of that in my tear ducts. Like Morphe eyeshadows are just the truth for me. Like Morphe anything is the truth for me. Like I am never disappointed with the quality, like whatsoever. And then to highlight for my face, I'm going back into that Morphe Highlight Contour Palette, and I'm going in with the shade Mirage. My NYX lip pencil, this is in the shade Brown. Going in with my Sephora lip cream, and this is in the shade 77. And then just for the middle of my lips, I'm going in with my Colourpop lipstick, and this is in the shade Butter. Okay, so that's it. That is it. We're done. And I mean, we used what, like 2, maybe 3-ish eyeshadow colors, but that's it. We are done, you guys. You can see, like, this is a look. This is a really nice look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any questions about anything, definitely leave that down below for me as well. And I guess I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, please. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, babes.